Here it is. I'm excited to use this and so excited to give my kids this for Christmas. Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Yoto Player 3rd generation. I'm really excited. I got it for my kids for Christmas. I hope they love it. I hope they really enjoy listening to the audiobooks and having the independence to choose which stories they get to listen to. Anyways, I'm really excited to open it up. So it's in this box here. Let's see what we're working with. Okay, cool. So here it is. Here's the Yoto Player. I'll show you the box. This. There it has on the packaging here. Packed with features for day and night, it's so much more than a storyteller. Kids insert Yoto cards to play. You can set an okay to wake routine and alarm. You can record stories with make your own cards. It also has a thermometer. And you can play sleep sounds and white noise. And it says you get 24 hours of play per charge. There's so many features in this. On this other side of the box, it has some more information. Also, the packaging is just really nice. It says it's going to take only 2 minutes to set up. Oh, it looks like you can use it for a radio and a daily podcast. Okay, it has wireless charging if you buy a dock. Okay, I don't have the dock, but there's a charging cable, which is USB-C and also USB-A. We're going to open it up. Okay. And, oh, it looks like it comes with a free Yoto card, free make your own card. That's cool. In here, that's a nice. So now for the actual player. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here it is. Here's the little guy. It's a cute size. It's like perfect for a tabletop. Okay, there's one piece in here that's quite hard to take out. There we go. That's where all the wires are. Here it is. I'm excited to use this and so excited to give my kids this for Christmas. Yeah, this video, I don't think I'm going to do the whole entire setup. I'll just keep it to the unboxing. Once I give this to my kids for Christmas and we've played around with it a bit, I would definitely do a review on it to just show you how it actually works. But so far, this is what it looks like. It's got these little knobs, kind of look like ears. It's super cute. I think this is probably the nightlight area. See the speakers on the side. And underneath here we have our wires, USB-C, USB-A cables. I did order a carrying case. It's an additional protection for the player, so if it gets banged up, that it's not gonna destroy the Yoto Player. I got this adventure jacket. It's in the color frog green, which I think is kind of cute. Perfect for all your audio adventures. This silicone carry case fits snugly over the Yoto Player and makes it easy to carry from room to room. It leaves space for all of Yoto Player's features while protecting it from small bumps and scratches. So it's a small bumps. Okay, I don't think it's gonna protect it from really disastrous falls. It should give it some protection. Okay, let's open it up. What we got here? Oh, it's snug in there. Ooh, okay, this is the carrying case. Let's see if I can figure out how to put it on. Okay, these two little holes at the top, I'm assuming are for the little knobs. So let's get this guy in there. Kind of snug. Okay. I'm struggling a bit. It's definitely snug. It's definitely snug, which is good. Okay. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, okay, so this is what it looks like with the cover on. I really like this like minty green color. It's definitely between like a bluish green, and then you just carry it like this. How fun is that? Like, I can imagine these little kids just like carrying it around. Oh, I'm just so excited for them to get this for Christmas. I really am. I hope they love it. If you have little kids who are using this, which I'm assuming if you're interested in this product, you probably have little kids, I would definitely recommend getting the case. Already I can see how this will just be really useful when they're traveling around with this thing. We actually got a few more things. We got a few cards. to go with the Yoto Player. If you are interested in this pack, I can link it below in the description box so you can get this exact same pack of cards. There's 3 cards that come in this pack. So here's the pack. So we've got Daniel Tiger, 5-minute stories of Daniel Tiger. Then it also came with this Flags of the World card, which I think is going to be really cool. So apparently the flags will pop up on the screen of the Yoto Player, and then it'll essentially teach you the different flags of the world. It teaches you 50 flags. I actually really wanted to find a way to teach my son the different flags of the world. I was thinking of actually just getting him a book of the different flags of the world, but this just seems like a really fun interactive way for him to learn it and just pick it up through a game, essentially. And the third card that came with this pack is called Ticket to Brazil. And I'm just excited to give this one to my son because actually my husband has some Brazilian heritage. I thought that this was just like a really great pack because it's a few different things that I've either know that my son will love or that I wanted him to know anyways. And so I was glad that these 3 were all together. And the 4th card that I got for my kids to use is The Very Hungry Caterpillar and Other Stories. All my kids really enjoy listening to The Very Hungry Caterpillar. We have The Very Hungry Caterpillar book, as a lot of people do. It's a classic. I don't have the other ones, but I think they're also going to enjoy those too. Oh, I got one more card. I forgot. I have Charlotte's Web. Oh, I'm super excited for them to listen to this one. Charlotte's Web. Growing up, I loved the movie. I don't think I actually read the book when I was a kid, but I did love the movie. And so I would really love to listen to this for myself, just to listen to the full story of Charlotte's Web. And I think that it's a beautiful classic story, and it had really good reviews from other people who bought this card. It actually says that it's read by Meryl Streep and a full cast. So that is pretty awesome. Meryl Streep is reading Charlotte's Web to your kids. Like, that's awesome. So that is my full unboxing of my Yoto Player 3rd generation with the adventure case and a bunch of Yoto cards. If you're interested in purchasing a Yoto Player, check the link in the description below. I have a discount available for you and you can get some money off on your order. And if you want more videos about the Yoto Player, please let me know in the comments and I would love to make more videos for you about the Yoto Player. I definitely want to make a video reviewing the Yoto Player after I give this gift to my kids for Christmas. I'm very excited to see how it goes and if they really do enjoy using this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye.